In today's video, I'm going to teach you my 5 favorite Pipedrive features. First, log into your Pipedrive account so we can set everything up together. Once you're in, head to Deals and create a new pipeline. This visual sales pipeline is where all your opportunities live. Think of it like a Kanban board. Every card is a deal, and you drag it from stage to stage as it progresses. Setting it up now will keep your team aligned later. Give your new pipeline a clear, descriptive name so everyone knows its purpose. Something like new business or renewals works well. After you rename it, don't forget to save your changes to lock in the setup. Next, add a deal to your pipeline. Adding a deal is how you track a real opportunity. It centralizes contact details, expected value, and next steps in one place, helps with forecasting, and keeps you from letting follow-ups slip through the cracks. Inside that deal, add an activity. Activities are your to-dos, calls, emails, meetings that drive the deal forward. Click Schedule an activity, type a short, specific title so it's easy to scan later, then set the date and time. Being precise here keeps your agenda clean and ensures reminders fire when you need them. When everything looks right, click Save. Now, let's enable some time savers. Open your profile menu and go to Tools and Apps, then choose Automation. Automation handles repetitive work for you, like sending follow-up emails when a deal moves stages, creating tasks after a call, or updating fields automatically. Start simple. One trigger, one action. You can always expand once it's working. For performance visibility, go to Insights. Insights turns your data into dashboards so you can spot bottlenecks, measure conversion rates, and compare performance across pipelines or owners. This is where you can quickly see which stage stalls deals or which activities actually close revenue. From Insights, create a report. Choose the type that fits your goal: deal, activity, or revenue. Then set filters such as date range, pipeline, owner, and stage. Pick a visualization that makes trends obvious, like a bar chart for stage conversions or a line for velocity. Add it to a dashboard so it updates automatically. When you're done configuring your report, click Save, give it a clear name, and you're set. That's my 5 favorite Pipedrive features: pipelines, deals, activities, automation, and insights. If this was helpful, subscribe for more.